Straight from work.
Yep. He's pretty much straight from work too. Don't mind all that bubbles.
I just went home and I ate food.
You haven't seen the side of my car. Damn! We got the Miata out here. New headers on the car. Cold air intake. Just looks so good. Oh. Clean ass Audi. We got another Miata over there. Integra, BMW. You got the Infiniti, another BMW. Mustangs down there. Clean ass car over there I'm gonna go check out. But freaking Lamborghini showed up with the fucking 2 drag pack Corvettes that are chopping like a motherfucker, which I think is insane. We'll go look more in depth on them here in a second. Miata! Listen to that chop! Look at the paint.
I'm glad that you didn't for me to say second. You know what I mean? I'm glad we're still.
Bro.
That's your business as far as. Yeah, too easy. Well, thanks for coming. Yeah, I gotta go. Yeah, do you think, bro?
Tim, you got the nice ass setup.
I got the rig. I know.
I wish.
Oh, is this like a full like?
And he's got the full rig.
Oh, what? That's sick.
Damn. What the fuck? It's got the stripe on the side. I was not expecting to see this thing pull up today. Carbon Kevlar on the back. That's clean as fuck. Damn. Clean ass Audi. Oh, this bitch low. Look at him tucking. Damn.
Your guys' car goes.
It's a Miata.
Having a radar Miata is like a fat girl having pepper spray.
I'm so glad I got that on video.
You gotta edit the clip and like make it as loud as you can.
Oh my god.
I also have a fat vacuum leak.
Welcome to Miatas.
Yeah.
Oh my god, lucky your handbrake works.
Yours doesn't?
No.
Dude, what? Yeah, it like senses like the
Got the underglow on in the Miata. God, it looks so clean at night. Oh my god, the cops here.
We're good. Don't worry. We're chilling. What's up? Everybody's like, wait, what?
Gotta get the clickbait.
Can you turn your lights on? Oh, is he really gonna? Oh.
Is he actually gonna do it?
Oh shit. Lights on?
Yeah.
Cousin wants a sticker. He's like 8 years old.
Okay, I respect it.
You're good. You're good. We'll be safe, okay? All right. Thanks, man. You have a good night. You're really.
You have a good night. Got the rainbow underglow going. Damn. Barely see the car in the GoPro, but oh.
We're so good, guys. We're good. No worries.
Yeah.
Check everything out. Awesome. We got a bunch.
So ominous. Bro is watching me.
Take that arm off. sweet deal. I'm gonna check.
Yeah, both the Miatas over
Do I
here.
have to?
What's your honest opinion on both of them?
Miatas.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, they're fun.
Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
Who's is whose and
Mine
what
is
do I
this
get
one.
a rate?
And
So
then
he's
hers
got
is
that
this
one. I've got this one.
I mean, on appearance alone,
His is cooler, obviously.
yeah, his is. I mean, I don't like the lights.
Oh, is it
No
illegal to
offense.
drive with those on? Is it illegal to drive with those on?
It is. But I don't. I mean, it's officer discretion.
Yes.
I thought it was only if they're flashing.
What's that?
I thought it was only if they're flashing.
I would say just by appearance alone. No offense.
I don't.
His is cleaner.
Yeah.
I don't know what other stuff you have.
I just
done
have
to
wheels
it.
on mine.
You
Just
just got
little
wheels.
It's fun because it's slow.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah.
They-
It's really hard to get in
Why?
trouble.
Why do you like them? Because they're slow.
Because it's hard to get in trouble.
That is
Yes,
facts.
I can go out.
Well, you both don't have front plates, so that's
I have
the reason.
collector's plates. I don't have to have a front plate actually.
You have to